Hey there, thanks for joining us. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. This is my VidTsunami review. So what is VidTsunami? VidTsunami is a cloud-based software that creates hundreds of traffic-pulling, commission-generating videos in any niche and in any language in 3 easy clicks. And we're in the members area and we're on the dashboard, and I'm going to give you an overview demo of VidTsunami. But before I go through the demonstration that I'm going to go through, I want to let you know that I put the demo video by the vendor in a link down below this video. There's 2 links there. There's one that will say VidTsunami Review Bonuses, and underneath that will be a link that says VidTsunami Demo. And the demo video by the vendor is inside the link that says VidTsunami Demo. So if you want more information about VidTsunami, I strongly recommend that you watch the video that's inside the link down below. And the next thing I want to show you is the type of videos that VidTsunami creates. So I made some example videos, and I'm going to show you that video. Then I'm going to come back and go through the rest of the demonstration. So I'm going to fade out now, and I'm going to show you that video, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and that was an example video that I created with VidTsunami. I know it didn't have any music, and you can also put a voiceover on it, text-to-speech, and the program does do that. I just, for demo purposes and because we're on YouTube, I didn't want to take a chance on getting a copyright strike. You never know with YouTube and their algorithms whether they're going to flag it, and I don't want a copyright strike. So anyway, you can add music on these, and you can add text-to-speech or a voiceover. So I want to let you know that. And the next thing I want to go through before I go through the rest of the demonstration is I want to show you the hand-picked bonuses I got for VidTsunami. Because these hand-picked bonuses I got, I think will really help you be successful with VidTsunami. So here's my hand-picked bonuses. So these are my VidTsunami bonuses, and the first 8 I handpicked to help you be successful with VidTsunami. And you're not going to get these bonuses anywhere else, so if they look like they're something that you might be interested in, you can get access to them by clicking the link down below this video, going to my bonus page, pushing the button on my bonus page, purchasing the program, then you'll get access to these first 8 bonuses, plus you'll get access to these. And you get all those plus my Mega Hidden Bonus Package. So with my Mega Hidden Bonus Package and the other bonuses, it's worth well more than that $5,372.91. And there again, how do you get these bonuses? You just click the link down below this video, go to my bonus page, push the button on my bonus page, purchase the program, then you'll get access to all my hand-picked bonuses. Well, anyway, those are my VidTsunami bonuses. So now I'm going to show you the prices and the upsells. So here are the VidTsunami prices and the VidTsunami upsells. And the front-end version is $16.95. And OTO1, the Pro version, is $37. And OTO2, the SEO edition, is $47. And OTO3, the Traffic edition, is $47. And OTO4, the Reseller edition, has 2 options to it. You got the $117 option, and you got the $147 option. And those are the VidTsunami prices and the VidTsunami upsells, but I got a little tip for you. If you're going through the funnel, which I recommend that you get your upsells through the funnel, but if you're not sure if you want an upsell when you're going through the funnel, bookmark the page so then you can go back to it later if you decide that you want that upsell. That's something that I do. It's just a little tip there for you. So just bookmark the page, then you can go back to it in your browser, and then you can purchase it from there. So anyway, now I'm going to go back to the members area. Okay, now we're back into the members area of VidTsunami, and you can see some videos on here that I created. I was testing the program, but I'm going to show you a demonstration on how I created that video. So what you do is you go up here and you push create new campaign. Then you got some options on here. You need to name the campaign. I'm just going to call this Mark Dwayne Demo 2, just to be safe. So in case I named one Demo 1 or Demo. So anyway, you can create it from scratch or you can create it from URL. But I'm just going to push create from scratch. Then you need to put the text in here. And what I did is I pre-made the text in a notepad. And this is the text that I used. Okay, and a little tip for you, don't put periods behind the 1, 2, 3, because then it will separate the videos. It separates the videos by where the periods are. And the other thing is if you have an ampersand or something like that, or a question mark or something like that, it will put a little asterisk on your video. So you want to get rid of those. Here's an example. See, I put here is. Now if I put here's with the like that, it's going to make a distortion in the video. So what I do, instead of put here's, I just got rid of that and put here is. Make the is right. Okay, so I put here is. So you want to get rid of those commas and question stuff like that. So anyway, I just copy this text, and it's best to have these pre-made inside a notepad and make them short sentences. Don't make them long sentences. I just copy that, and I go in here and I paste the text in here. And I go in here and I push next. Okay, here's the one that I just created. Now it's not done yet. You have to edit it. And then you choose one of these templates. It doesn't really matter which one you use in this because they're not going to be shown in the video anyway. So I'm just going to choose the first one. And I'm going to go to continue to the next step. Now here's where you edit the videos. Okay, you can edit the text by using the typography section. So if you want to change this text right here, you want to change the color. So you want to make it white. See, it's white now. You want to change the background. Let's move this, and now it's black. Okay, that's how you do that. And you want to make sure after you make a change that you push save. Okay. Otherwise, it won't save this when you render it. Okay, if you want to change this background, we're going to go back. You can also change the font style. I guess you should go through that. You can change the font style. If you want to change this font style, change the size. But I wouldn't mess with the size, I'll be honest with you, because it won't turn out right in the video. Just keep the size the same, but you can change the colors and the style of text that you're using and stuff like that, but I would not mess with the size. So anyway, this video here is just for demo purposes anyway. So I'm going to go back. You do have some other options on here. You got story. This is the story. This is what you pasted in the last step. And then here's elements. You can add different elements on here. You can add social media elements. They're down here. Then you can add GIFs. Subscribe. Lower 1/3. So those are the options. And when you want to go back, you just go back. And then those were elements. Then branding. You can add intro, outro, and a watermark. And you upload that here. You can change the size. And then you got the typography, which is the text. Then you got media, and this is where you get images. So if I just put in here, email, if I can spell, and then you push search, Okay, here it come up with some videos. So you just take the video or the image, images was what I meant to say. I said video, and you just drag it over here, and you set as background. Oops, you gotta make sure, I do that sometimes. You gotta make sure that you clicked on it and then set it as background. I made that mistake there. That was me. So anyway, that's how that works. And you just go from slide to slide to slide and add different images on there. We'll just take this one, drag it over here, highlight it, click. Okay, that's how that works. So this is image, this is 1, this is 2, and you'd have to do that for 3 and 4, and you have to do some editing on this. Now this video that I'm making now is just for demo purposes. I'm not going to keep it. I'm just showing you how to use the program. Okay, and then you can add videos too. You can do the same thing. Okay, and then you find some videos on here that are congruent, and you can preview them. Let's look at this one here. Well, let's play it here. Can't really see it there, so I'll go to full screen. Where'd it go? Okay, here's what the video would look like. So anyway. And then you just, there again, you same thing, you just drag it over here. You highlight it, set it as background. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, and then we'll go back. That's the images and the videos. That was under media. Now transitions, you can change the transitions, but you can also change the transitions for over here. I just left it at burn. They do have different transitions. You can preview them. So that's what that did. So you can preview them. So I'm going to go back. So that's the transitions, and you can add music on here. I didn't add any music on here. You can upload your own, add your own music. You can set the volume. You can also use a voiceover on here. You can use text to speech, poly. Use different voices, female, male. You can preview it, and you can apply. And you can also record your own. If you want to record your own, you can upload a file. So that's the basics behind this. And then always when you make a change, push save. Now if you want to get rid of a slide, right here, you go right here, and I'm going to highlight that again. It says to delete a slide, what you got to do is you go down, and if I wanted to get rid of this slide, I put this at 0. Then it won't show the slide, okay? And the other thing is you can adjust the length of the slides. You can do it with the plus bar here, or you can just type in, I like 7 seconds. You can just go through here and push 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. This one back to 7. And then always push save. You can add new slides, okay? And when you're done, you push export, because that puts it to render. I had a little trouble when I pushed finish because it wouldn't go anywhere. So when I pushed export, then it goes into the queue to be rendered, and it's rendering then. You can preview it, but I would not push preview. You can undo, redo, and there again, you can get rid of slides. It just tells you to put it at 0. So always save and then export when you're done. So it's in the queue to be rendered. I'm not actually going to play this video. It's just for demo purposes on how I made that other video. You'll have to take a little bit more time than I did in order to create a video that looked like the one I did. I also could have took a little bit more time, put the music on it, put a voiceover on it, but For demo purposes, I just showed you what the videos look like, and I didn't want to put music on there because you never know when Google's gonna, or YouTube or Google is gonna flag it for copy protection for some other reason, and I just don't want to take a chance on my YouTube channel. But you can add music on there. So anyway, you just go back to campaigns, and you can see it's being rendered. It's not done yet. These are some other videos I was experimenting with the program on. And you got some options on here. You can edit these. You can delete them, or you can copy them. Okay, and you got more pages of them down here. And some of these other things on the sidebar are upgrades. But I do strongly recommend that you watch the training before you start to use this program. It's really a simple program to use. It just might take you a few times of editing and tweaking and learning the program. There is a learning curve to it, but it is a really nice program. I find uses for it myself. So anyway, underneath campaigns, there again, some of these might be upgrades. You got automations. You know, see, this is an upgrade. Then you got my music. I don't have any music. You can upload some music. There's a thumbnail creator. There again, that's a upgrade. Then you got agency, which is an upgrade. Then you got elements. You can upload elements, different elements. And here's the traffic edition, which is an upgrade. SEO edition, which is an upgrade. And the training and log out. There again, I want to let you know, I recommend that you go through the funnel to get your upgrades, but bookmark the page. Bookmark the page so you can go back to it, and then you can get access to the downsells, because you're not going to get access to the downsells if you get it inside the program. So I strongly recommend that you bookmark the upsells as you're going through the funnel, so then you can go back to them. And in case you have a question, hey, I didn't get this feature, I thought I was getting it, you can go back and say, hey, I'm supposed to have this, I don't have it. And you can submit a ticket. That's another reason. So anyway, I'm going to go back to the dashboard. So if VidTsunami looks like something that you might be interested in, or you're interested in my hand-picked bonuses, you can get access to them by clicking the link down below this video, going to my bonus page, pushing the button on my bonus page, purchasing the program. Then you'll get access to VidTsunami and my hand-picked bonuses. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, push that notification bell, make a comment. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.
So, if you want to get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.